We've gone from 100,000 followers to nearly...
Don't let this stop you from making real money online.
How would you like to get paid while growing an Instagram following of thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of people on autopilot? This is not yet another software robot that blasts out fake comment spam to other people's accounts, nor is it software that follows people to get them to follow you back and then unfollows them when they do. Those kind of tactics are easy to spot, and we're as annoyed by them as you probably are. Introducing IG Money Tree. IG Money Tree is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's a 100% free viral system that adds unlimited followers to any Instagram account. We offer IG Money Tree for free because it builds our following too. In fact, if it weren't free, it wouldn't be nearly as effective. It's also completely beginner-friendly with zero technical skills needed, and it's entirely cloud-based, so it works on any device with nothing to download. So why do you want at least one Instagram account with a large following? Because of how easy it is to make money with one. This is an unprecedented opportunity. Thousands of Instagram users are getting paid significant amounts of money for doing nothing more than mentioning company brands and products in their Instagram posts. The more followers you have, the greater your income potential. $300 a post, $1,000 a post, even $10,000 or more per post. But even some Instagrammers with as little as 1,000 followers are making money. And sponsored posting is just one of many ways to get paid. Many Instagrammers make money by posting ads for their own products and services. And many more make money through affiliate marketing, where they earn commissions simply by referring their followers to other people's online stores. If you'd like to join us in growing your following on Instagram and get paid to do it just like we do, enter your email below to get started. Again, this is free, secure, and also spam-free. No shenanigans. On the next page, we'll have you enter your Instagram account username, the username of the account you want us to begin adding real followers to. Join for free below, and we'll see you on the next page.